Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. In regards to my most recent giveaway, I was kind of sneaky and I threw in a little text box. It was my ombre video. It was just like two videos ago, I believe. But yeah, so I did receive the all-nighter starter kit from Scultp. I will be uploading a quick video of those items along with the giveaway winner, so please stay tuned. This video is extra sped up, okay? We kind of did the same thing on every single nail. This was my friend from school and she likes her cat claws. And she experimented a little bit with some different colors this time, but this was also my very last set that I was able to create for her. So I'm using this pink nude from Not Polish, and I did this in place of a clear layer because I ended up having to mix the next color that we're going to put over the entire layer, over the entire nail. And I just went ahead and sent that with, I gave that little, container to her of the mixed acrylics so that when she gets where she's going, if she wanted to, she could fill her own nails, and then that way she would be able to see when she files down, stuff like that. She'll be able to, it's so much easier to see, this pink nude versus the clear. She does want to get into nails, so I just wanted to kind of do that for her so that it would make it easier for her whenever she does go to try that. So yeah, the only reason why I'm using this pink nude is just it's basically takes the place of the thin clear layer of acrylic that I normally put down. Yeah, so I'm probably not going to go too much into detail on this video. I do hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoyed creating it for her. It took us forever to do this set, mainly because we were just visiting, and it was her last time here. So you guys go ahead and leave her some comments down in the comment box, because she did complete her 1600 hours of cosmetology school. And she graduated and things like that, so super exciting for her, and now she is moving on to the next chapter in her life. So yeah, go ahead and tell her congratulations and wish her well. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this, and I do have at least 2 more nail videos coming up soon, and I'll probably definitely have more than that. I've actually kind of been really doing a whole lot of nails here lately, and honestly the majority of them are the same people, and we've just kind of been doing new designs or fills and things like that. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys next time.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else. Cause lately kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, oh, you got me good. is it that brings you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah.